Hello, friends. Welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and today we're taking a trip.
And I'm Adam. Get your backpack ready, because we're learning real English for travel.
Airports, hotels, restaurants, and little moments when you need help.
And yes, we'll share stories, vocabulary, and practice together.
Last summer, I traveled to another country. At the airport, I couldn't find my ticket.
Oh no, the famous travel heart attack moment.
My hands were shaking. I felt nervous. So I walked to the desk and said, "Excuse me, I need some help." The worker smiled and said, "No problem. What's your name?" In 5 minutes, everything was okay.
Sometimes the right sentence is like magic.
Let's learn some useful travel words. One ticket, the paper or email that lets you travel. I have my ticket on my phone. Two, reservation, booking for hotel, restaurant or seat. I have a reservation for tonight. Three, passport, your travel ID. Here is my passport.
Repeat after us. I have my ticket. I have a reservation. Here's my passport.
When you don't know where to go, say, "Excuse me, where is gate 12?
When you need to check in, I'd like to check in, please.
And if something is wrong, can you help me, please?
My friend Sam went to a hotel. He opened the door and, surprise, the room was very cold.
Like a refrigerator.
He went to the front desk and said, "Excuse me, the room is very cold. Can you help?"
The worker smiled. "Of course, I'll send someone."
10 minutes later, warm and cozy.
Try these. I have a reservation. Can I have an extra towel? Is breakfast included?
When you want to order, "I'd like this, please."
When you need water, could I have some water?
And when you finish, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Better safe than sorry, meaning be careful, plan ahead.
I'm just looking around. Use it when shopping, but you're not ready to buy.
Repeat after us. "Excuse me, where is the restroom? Can you help me, please? I'd like to check in."
And one more. Travel teaches me new things.
Adam, do you know the scariest travel moment?
Security?
No, when you open your suitcase and realize you forgot your toothbrush. Haha.
Haha. Friends, travel is not only about planes and hotels
It's about meeting people, learning, growing.
and your English. Step by step, we'll get stronger.
Thank you for traveling with us today.
Practice these phrases. Save this video. Use it on your next trip.
See you next time on Amjee's English World.